Hi everyone, today we will discuss tax camera system. When you hear the topic of tax camera system, you will think it's a camera install a taxi or camera recorder install the taxi. Yes, you are right. We should discuss why should lead tax camera system and how to select tax camera system. Okay, let's start it. Taxi driver has to drive every day and they don't know where should they go. Something press. So if I were a taxi driver, I think I need something to help me, because I am afraid something happening and I can't explain. So I think if they have some video to help me to explain better, that's great. If I were a fleet manager, I also need something to help a taxi driver, as they have to drive many different places. I should care their safety. So the tax camera system will solve your problem. For example, the tax camera system built-in front road view with GPS tracking, 4G remote online and Wi-Fi download function, so that driver can intercom with the fleet manager at any time, and the fleet manager can remote view via mobile phone, PC to check everything. So it's a simple installation on the wide shot, but it's also important for taxi driver and fleet manager. So you will think, how should I select tax camera system? In fact, it depends on the budget. If you only want to record and check history recording, its MDVR is fine, as it's cheap and also easy installation. If you want to remote view, intercom, emerging button, and also want to GPS tracking, Wi-Fi download, so it's better you can select 4G GPS Wi-Fi mini Mobiledvr. Also, if you need to record front road view, cabin view, side view, and review and remote online, you can select stainless SD card Mobiledvr with 4 camera, and just like a 4G dash camera, built-in 2 channel, and only extend 2 channel to work. It's very easy installation and economic cost, so it's very fine. Speaking, high cost product will be higher function and technology, so you can consider when you buy, so that you don't need to buy twice. Also can save your cost, right? Okay, I hope I have solved the topic of tax camera system. If you have any question and need assistance, please can let me know. And also, please can subscribe my YouTube and remember confirmation. Thank you very much.